Welcome to Smarter Business Security. Let's take a minute to set up the system to meet your needs. First, create user codes for your staff, service providers, or anyone who has access to arm or disarm your security panel. Next, set your business hours. Setting up business hours lays the groundwork to know if your business is opening late or closing early. Download the mobile app. Log in using your username and password. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. From here, you can view and control every aspect of your system. Let's set up notifications so that you can know the minute something meaningful happens in your business. In the left side menu, find Notifications. Enable Push Notifications. Then select Manage Notifications. Here, you'll find several suggested notifications, which you can easily turn on. Let's start with a notification to alert you if the business is opened late, closed early, or opened unexpectedly. The System Not Armed notification alerts you if you or an employee forget to arm your security system by a certain time of day. And if you did forget to arm your system, you can take action right from your mobile device. Scenes allow you to control multiple devices with the touch of a button. You can also create your own scene right in the app. Depending on your service plan, you may be able to have your security system automatically arm or disarm so you don't have to worry. Reports provide invaluable business insights such as customer foot traffic as well as open and close times. For questions about your setup or to learn more about the smart services available to you, contact your service provider.